Look, it's just past 2:30 here after the sacred hour of lunch. Outside the gates of the Beaux-Arts de Paris. Regarde la hongue. It's kind of dirty out here. Quite a dangerous street. Could you give me some street noise, Luca? Yep. It's pretty dirty, but the nice thing about a mess is underneath there's something real special. You know, out here on Rue Bonaparte, plenty of people have walked down. Plenty of folks have walked down this street before the cars started burning petroleum. And I love my 205. And you know, I don't mind a glass of red wine or two. And there's plenty of things about French tradition that I think we could all get behind. This is first working broadcast, fifth, the third day of a working performance brought to you by the Church of Work. Shouts out to Michael Price. If you're listening, bud, have a good day. Don't forget, whistle while you work. Now this blue carpet here that's adhered to the walls of the Atelier Paris was given by our friend Michael Price, given back to the school which had given us the red carpet that would be installed as a karaoke bar 2 years ago. God bless this school and its dumpsters. Ladies and gentlemen, we're open for business today. And in our business, we're merely salesmen. Salesmen of an idea. We're here to promote omnidirectional thought and feeling. This is the art of communication. And I could really use a coffee. Now, ladies and gentlemen, watching at home, on the backside of our set, we have a projection of this direct broadcast. Our audience has the ability to communicate with you via the online chat. And don't forget to get into comments below and like and subscribe. Shouts out to Alphabet. Oh, this one reminds me of May 1st, 2022. Big up to Labor Day. Shouts out to Big Love Productions. Also, big up to Maria Benz and the Utopian Sound Design Movement. Still a bit dirty in here. Maybe a coffee for that yawn, Lane. What do you say, cowboy? Want to bring a table out here? The gates are wide open. Maybe just right here. Oh, actually, let's go stage right. A coffee table just here would be quite nice. Right here, really nice. Yeah, shouts out to Lane Hetherington and shouts out to North America. And shouts out to everyone that's ventured over from the new world back to the old. And especially those that entered the gates of the Beaux-Arts de Paris to learn from this fine country. Because you know what they say, every man has two countries, his own and France. Hey Lane, how you doing? Hey folks, this is Lane, give it up.
Hi Mom, I'm on the TV.
Oh yeah. Mrs. Hetherington, you've raised a fine young man. Darlene! Folks, give it up for Darlene. Maybe just a hot plate. Yeah. That'll do. We'd like to thank our sponsors, each and every one of them, each and every one of you, for all the French taxpayers watching at home. We really do.